In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude 4 step by step so you can get started quickly and choose the right model for your task. Whether you want to write, brainstorm, summarize code, or just test out the latest Claude features, this guide will walk you through the process in a simple and easy way. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Claude in your browser and log in with your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard, where you can start a fresh conversation. Next, look for the new chat button and click it. This opens a clean chat space where you can begin working with Claude right away. Now, before you type your prompt, take a look near the microphone icon on the left side. That area shows you the current model that Claude is using. This is important because Claude offers different models depending on the type of response you want. Click on the current model name, and you'll see a list of available options. From there, choose one of the Claude 4 models, such as Sonnet 4 or Opus 4. If you want a balanced option for speed and quality, Sonnet 4 is a great choice. If you need more advanced reasoning or deeper responses, Opus 4 may be the better option. Once you've selected the model, you're ready to begin. Just type your prompt into the chat box and press Enter to start using Claude 4. You can ask it questions, request summaries, generate ideas, draft content, or help solve problems. The better your prompt, the better the result, so be clear about what you want. You can also continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions and refining the output as needed. That's the basic workflow. Open Claude, log in, start a new chat, choose your Claude 4 model, and enter your prompt. It's a quick process, and once you've done it a few times, it becomes second nature. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.